Everyone knows CapCut is paid now. Most people struggle to export videos, and those features like auto captions. You can't use them unless you pay. But guess what? I found a free tool that gives you everything. No watermark, no struggle. Easy peasy easy.
First thing first, all you need to do is to go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store or your Apple Store. All right. Now when you go to your Play Store, go to search and search for edit. This is it, edit. Now, as you can see, mine is not here. All right, mine is not displayed here. Okay, so I'm going to show you the next step. In case if you come here and you don't see edit here, don't worry. I'm going to show you an alternative. Okay, now your phone is not compatible with it. That's why it's not here. But if you come over here and you're serious, you can install it. All right. Now the next step to take, if you can't find yours here, just go to your browser. Now just go to your browser and search for edit. Okay, just search for edit. Now this is it here. Let me zoom it so that you can see it very well. This is it. Okay, edits and Instagram APK for Android. This is strictly for Android users. If you don't find yours in Play Store, just come over here and download it. So you're going to click on it. Just click on it. All right, so as you can see, this is how the logo looks like. All right, so you're going to click on download. I don't need to download it because mine is already downloaded on my phone. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Just click on download and install it on your phone. But if yours is displayed on Play Store, just go there and install it. All right, this is my edit, so I'm going to click on it. So click on the plus icon. Click on the plus icon. So before using it, you have to sign up. All right, remember you have to create an Instagram account because it's work with Instagram. All right, so if you've already created an Instagram account, once you open it, definitely that your account will appear here. All right, this is owned by Facebook. Okay, it's Mark that owns this. All right, so you can use it to edit your videos in case you do not have money for CapCut. This is another alternative and it is 100% free. All right, so you're going to click on the plus icon. When you click on the plus icon, you're going to see gallery. Just click on gallery. Then you are going to click on the drop down and choose any video you want to edit. Okay, so let me go to videos and choose the video that I want to edit. Okay, let me choose this video. Let's say, so when I click on it and I select good, as you can see, it has brought me to this interface. Can you see that? Can you see? If you still want to add another one, just click on the plus icon and upload another one. All right, now, so the first one is audio. Now this audio is a sound. All right, is songs. These audio songs. All right, if you don't want if you want to add a background sound to it, to your video, just click on the audio. You're going to see a lot of songs here. You can just click on import. I will not use this. I will not use this sound so that my video will not be copyrighted. Just choose any song you want, and when you click on import, definitely it's going to be imported in your video. Now the next thing we have here is the text. Okay, now whatever caption you want to give to your video, whatever caption, let me say I want to use positivity against negativity. Okay, let me say speak positivity. Speak positivity instead of negativity. Okay. All right, so can you see that? Now, have you seen it has appeared here? You can just drag it to any point you want. You can just drag it up here. Now, apart from that, you can still edit it. Just click on it if you want it to be bigger. So let me click on edit. Then you can choose the text. If you don't want that text that is appearing there, just click on the preferred text that you want. These are different text types that you can use, okay, on it. These are different text. All right, now the next thing you're going to see here is this is different text, bold, whatever this thing you want. You have simple, bold, playful. Just choose the one that resonates with you. All right, now I'm going to click on this. This is the color. If you want to change the color from white to any color of your choice, just click on it and choose it. Okay, now the next thing is this. Okay, this is the animation. Just like we have animation in CapCut, this is animation. Are you seeing it? This is animation, how you want it to be displayed. Whichever one you choose is going to be displayed up there. Are you seeing it? Yeah, that is how it works. Now the next thing is intro. This is intro, this is intro animation, this is outro, this is loop. So you just choose the one that resonates with you. Can you see how it's displaying there? And it is 100% free. You're not paying anything for it. You can use it as much as you want. So I'm going to click on this A. Now this A that has stars on it. This is if you want to choose a style. If you want it to have a hard shadow, you just click on it. If you want a soft shadow, whatever thing you are clicking is displaying here. As you can see, it's changing. Now if you don't want any of them, just click on none. All right, now if you scroll to this side, you're going to see this this A actually involves the background. Just like we have background in CapCut, if you want a background, let me click on it. As you can see, this is the background. Then you can still change the background color from this place. Okay, so I don't want any of them. All right, now we are done with this. So whatever thing you set, you just click on done. All right, then if you want to drag it, you can still drag it to the end of your video. As you can see, it's here. Now if probably you want to increase it, all right, if you want to increase it, just still click on it and click here. You can choose the one that is bigger. You can use your hand and minimize it. You can use your hand and maximize it. As you can see, just choose the text that is more bigger, or use your hand. I can use my hand now and maximize it. Can you see? I can use my hand and maximize it. So it is very, very simple to use. All right. Okay, now the next thing we are going to look at, let me click on done. Once I'm done, the next thing I'm going to look at is, along with this one, the next thing I'm going to see is voice. This voice involves voiceover. If you want to use a voiceover here, instead of the voice that is talking, if you want to use a voiceover, you can just click on it, and this is the timer. You set it to your preferred duration. All right, so now the next thing I'm going to see is length. This length, if you want to link into Reels or your account, you just click on it. Now you're going to see CC caption. This is auto caption that is also on CapCut. So if you want to use an auto, as you can see, this video doesn't have an auto caption, but if you want to use an auto caption, just click on caption and it will automatically start generating your captions for free. It will start generating your captions, so you can choose any preferred caption. So once it's done generating your captions, this is it. This is the caption it's generating. This is it. You can just drag it to any point you want. Now let's say that you don't like these captions. What you have to do is to click on style. When you click on style, you can choose any caption of your choice. This is it. Can you see? This is it. This is another one. Like it's a lot. Okay, whatever caption you want, just click on it. All right, so I've choose the one that I prefer. So whatever thing that you choose, okay, whatever thing that you choose, just click on done. Then this is it here. Now you can as well increase it. Just use your hand and increase it if you want. Use your hand and maximize it. All right, so you can still edit it. If you don't want it, you can delete it. All right, now the next thing we have here is speed. You all know speed. If you want to increase the timer, if you want it to be very fast, if you want to reduce it, just drag it to any S. As you can see, it is at 1.0x. So if I want to reduce it now, it's going to be 0.6. So I'm going to place it on 1.0x and click good. So the effect here,
protect your peace, protect your emotions.
So this is the effect here.
Protect your
different effects that is here. So you can use it. So if you want to adjust, if you want to increase the brightness, this is where you increase your brightness, and it will look more cinematic. Okay. Then if you want to increase the contrast, you can increase it, the highlights, the shadows, the whites, the blacks, clarity. Just choose the preferred one you want. Everything is here. So whatever thing you want to increase. So say that you did a voiceover and the place is noisy, you can just drag it to the extreme and the background noise will be reduced. Now this is to sharpen as well. If you want to sharpen your video, just click on sharpen. So after everything, you click here and that is it. Now we also have filter. If you want to add filter,
protect your peace, protect your emotions, protect your purpose.
If you want to add filter to it, just click on filters and
Protect your peace. Protect your emotions.
if you want to choose your filter, just go there, go to filters and choose the preferred one. Then this is overlay. All right, if you want, let's say you are doing a reaction, okay, or whatever thing you are doing, and you want it, let's say you want a picture to be displayed here while she's talking and is displaying there. So all you have to do is to just click on your gallery and choose a preferred picture of yourself. Let's say, let me choose this, whether it's a picture or a video, whatever thing you want. So let me just click on it. All right, so I'll drag it depending on where you want it to be. So can you see? Just tap on the video and you can minimize it. Okay, just tap on it. If you want it to be appearing up here, you just drag it to that place. So this is it. If you want to still maximize it, just use the tips of your hand and maximize. It is very easy. Okay, now if you don't want it, just click on delete and it will automatically delete. So the next thing we have here is sound effects. Now sound effects, you can use it for your storytelling, your intros and outros and whatever it is, your zooming. So let me just click on it.
2 minutes of countdown.
So this is a whole lot. Whatever thing you want, just select it. If you don't want it, just click here. All right, so I don't want any of them, so you can as well search. Okay, so now this is cut out. All right, so this is cut out. This is just like this cut out. So let's click on cut out. Now this is auto cut out. So if you want to do maybe reaction or thereabout, just click on it. Let me use this image. So this cut out, it will automatically remove a background. This is just like removing a background of an image. If you want an image to appear here or whatever it is, or is this cut out actually mean remove background? That is what it means, remove background. All right, so I'm going to delete it. All right, so if you want to cut out, if you want to apply cutout in your video, just tap on the video and you're going to see cutout. Then you choose auto cutout. Just choose auto cutout. So automatically it's going to remove the background of this video. All right, these cutouts mostly work on pictures. All right, so for the videos, I don't think so. So you're going to see transform. So this is rotation and position. If you want to transform it x-axis or y-axis, just click on it and choose. This is back, this is front. Okay, let's say that you made a mistake or you wanted to go back to the things that you applied. Just click on back. Like this one, I choose cutout. They are going to automatically remove the cutout. Okay, just click on it. Keep on clicking on it. All right, so have you seen all these things that I did? They are coming out. So if I don't want it to be seen on my video, I'm going to click on it. All right, now scroll to the extreme. This is sticker. You can choose your sticker, prefer sticker. Choose any sticker you want. All right, so this is how to use this. This is very easy. You use your auto captions, you use your voice to record. This is it. Just use it. You can even add your script here. This is best for those that are into storytelling. If you're into storytelling and you want to record with your voice, and probably you don't want to use any voiceover, you want to record by yourself, okay, just go to ChatGPT or any generative tool, paste your script here and you start recording. You start recording automatically. Let me just paste something here. So can you see it? And I'll select done. Now when I'm talking, I'll be reading from here and it will be moving. So this is very, very easy to use. This is very, very easy. If you are finding it so difficult to use CapCut to subscribe, to CapCut, this is an alternative. You can use it to do a lot of things. As you can see, it is 100% free. Okay. Now to download it, before you make this mistake, in order to download it, this is what you're going to do. Just click on next. Then it will start exporting. Now, after exporting, this is not the final step. Okay, this is not the final step. If you export it and go back to your files, you're not going to see it there. You're not going to see it there. So what I'm going to do after exporting is just go to download. See download here. click on download, finish downloading. Then if you go to your files, you're going to see it there. I hope this tutorial was helpful.
Tell me the truth. Did you even know there was an alternative to CapCut? If this tutorial was helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you go first to get my next tutorial. I'm Coach Mira AI, signing out.